If you're looking to activate dark mode on Snapchat, the process is quite straightforward and won't take up much of your time. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open your Snapchat application. Navigate to your profile page by tapping on your profile photo in the top left corner. Once on your profile page, tap on the settings icon located in the top right corner. Scroll down until you find the option labeled App Appearance, situated just above the public profile settings. Tap on App Appearance and you'll see several options. Always light. Snapchat will always remain in light mode. Always dark. Selecting this option ensures that Snapchat stays in dark mode consistently. There's also a custom option available for further color customization, accessible through Snapchat Plus. Choose Always Dark if you want Snapchat to be in dark mode permanently. That's it. Now all your Snapchats and other content within the app will be displayed in dark mode. If you wish to revert to the regular light mode, return to your profile page. Click on the settings icon. Scroll down to App Appearance. Select Always Light to switch back to the light mode. If you can't find the option or it's not functioning correctly, try updating your Snapchat application. This should resolve any issues and make the dark mode option available. If you have any further questions or comments, feel free to let me know in the comments section. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.